Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll have a tutorial on TikTok. This one is for saving on your data in case you're on mobile data, especially if you're a heavy TikTok user. This may be a feature for you. So of course it's a data saving feature built into TikTok that you have to enable. It only works on your data. It's off if you're normally are using a normal Wi-Fi network. But of course if you're on mobile data, it will work. Do note as well, you can use this feature to save on a lot of data, but do note it's gonna reduce data quality. So of course you can always turn it off. All right. So go to TikTok. Once you're in TikTok, as seen here, go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, select the three lines up or right. All right. So once you select the three lines, go to settings and privacy. All right, so once you're in settings and privacy, go all the way down. You'll see the option here that says data saver. And there's the feature. It does describe it as it says here. Data saver reduces data consumption when using cellular data. Videos may be at a lower resolution or take longer to load. This won't apply when you're on Wi-Fi. So you can turn it on. All right. So this will save data. You can restart the app, and that is it. Now TikTok will take less data. If you do not like the quality, you can always go back in, go back to the setting and turn it off. All right, so I'm in the tutorial here. Do hope this was useful. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.